My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Countess pudding. For this you will need 4 ounces of flour, 2 ounces of margarine, 2 ounces of sugar, 2 tablespoonfuls of currants, 12 drops of lemon essence, 1 egg and a little milk. First, beat the egg. Now rub the butter into the flour. Bread crumbly. Now add the sugar, the currants, the lemon essence, then the beaten egg, and a little milk, and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mixed. Put the mixture into a greased pie dish. Even at the top. Bake for 30 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Custard on the pudding. A lot. That's extremely good. Very, very tasty. Custard's great too.